Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. We're working on a Ferrari F430. We did a whole system in here. In the back here, we did two of the AudioMobile Evo 10s. We did a little custom enclosures. We matched the arcs up here to the arcs up here. Put a little bit of shape on it. In the back here, we did a digital design component set, 5 1/4 and tweeter. In the front here, we kept everything factory. So we had the Hertz 6.5 components, and then we did a Kenwood Excelon 702 single din. And then under the hood, kept everything factory. So what we did is we actually raised the floor. So we built the false floor in here and all the amps underneath. So we did two Rockford Power 1000 5 channels, and then we did Audison Bit 10. So basically the fronts are bridged, and then the rears are bridged as well, or the front components are bridged off the amp, and then each 5 channel is running its own sub, so it gets plenty of power. And then the Audison Bit 10 tunes it. So it came out real nice. Sounds really, really good. Obviously, it's not going to sound great on this microphone from my phone, so there's no sense of really playing it. But if you're in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322. Check us out on Instagram at AudioDesign75.